Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with Cpagrip marketing, and also I'm going to show you a cool little trick that will help you to increase your conversion. And also I'm going to show you a huge free traffic source that you can use for CPA marketing. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing you need to do, you need to find CPA offers to promote. And for this purpose, I am going to use Cpagrip, but you can use any other CPA affiliate network that you want. And because we are going to use a free traffic, that means that you probably won't get traffic from just one country. You will probably get traffic from many different countries. So this is a tip for you. This is what you need to do. You need to choose multiply offers from one category, but from different countries. So let's just say I wish to promote iPhone related offers. So here in search bar, I will simply search for iPhone, okay? And here you can see all the available iPhone offers. iPhone 14, iPhone 14, iPhone 13, and so on and so on. So let's just say I wish to promote this offer here. Be the first to get an iPhone 13. Click here, and what I need to do, I actually need to copy this title here, Ctrl C, and I need to paste that here in the notepad. And also I need to copy the link, my Cpagrip affiliate link. But this is another tip for you. What often happens is when you send people to this link here, they will actually send you on some websites that has nothing to do with your CPA offer. So what you need to do, you need to change tracking domain. You need to choose one of these domains. You need to actually test each one of these domains until you find the one that actually sends traffic to your CPA offer that you wish to promote, okay? I know it is annoying, but it is something that you have to do, unfortunately. But like I said, you need to find the right domain and then simply copy the Cpagrip affiliate link and paste that here, okay? And after you do that for this offer, you need to simply go here, close this, and find more CPA offers related to iPhone, in this case, iPhone 14, 13, and so on and so on. And here you can see there are similar offers for the United Kingdom, New Zealand, Germany, France, and so on and so on. So now when you have your CPA offers, now you actually need to make your bridge page. And for that, I'm going to use Google Sites. So here for the title, I can say something like, for example, get iPhone for free, for example, for free, okay? Something like that. And actually I'm going to make this to be bold. And to make this bridge page to look nicer, I'm going to click here on change header image, select image, click here on search, and I will just search for iPhone, okay? iPhone, okay, sorry about that. And press enter, and here I can find royalty-free photos. That is really important. Royalty-free photos, iPhone photos that I can use. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to use this one here. Click here on select, give it a second, and as you can see, it automatically added that image here. So now I need to add my CPA offer. So what I need to do, I need to double click here, then click here on this TT for text. And then I am simply going to copy this, okay, paste that here. And I'm actually going to make this to be bold and to be, let's just say, for example, 30. And I'm actually going to make this to be center, okay, just like this. And now I need to add an image. So again, just click here on images and then click here on upload and let me just find the right image. Okay, this image here, and I can actually make this larger, just like this, and I can also move it like this, okay? And here, what I need to do, I actually need to click here on this button, and I will add a button, let's just say, for example, and here I need to add my affiliate link. So I am going to go back here on Notepad, copy this, and actually I'm going to minimize this and paste my Cpagrip affiliate link here. Click here on insert, and that's it. And I can move that here, okay? I will move it a bit more, okay? Something like this. And now what you need to do, you need to add another offer and another offer and another offer, 5, 10 different, you need to add 5, 10, 15 offers in same category, but from different countries. Like I said, United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and so on and so on. And let me show you how this actually looks. And when you click here on preview, this is how it looks. And now when someone click here on this button and they actually submit their email, I am going to earn a $2.05 for that email. And like I said, you need to add 5, 10, 15 of these offers like this, okay? So now when you have your bridge page, next thing you need to do, you need to start sending free traffic to this bridge page. And let me first show you potential of the website that we're going to use. When you go here on SimilarWeb, here you can see this website got 244 million visits last month. And when you scroll here you can see that more than 60% of their visitors are coming from highly developed tier 1 countries, which means this website has a huge potential. And the website I'm talking about is called Tumblr. You probably heard for Tumblr. If you didn't, Tumblr is something between Facebook, Blogger, and Twitter, something like that. And here you can see you can add text, you can add photos, quotes, links, you can chat with the people, you can add audios, and you can also add videos. Now, this is another tip for you. In order to start growing your followers, you need to start sharing quotes and you need to start sharing viral videos. That is the fastest way to grow your engagement and to grow your followers. Now, once you start growing your followers and you start getting more and more engagement, what you need to do, you need to start promoting your Google Bridge page. And now what you need to do, you simply need to go on ChatGPT. And then you simply need to say to ChatGPT something like this. Can you write me a short promotional text for free iPhone 14? Okay, and press enter. And ChatGPT will write you a short promotional text. Here you can see, get your hands on the latest and greatest technology with the new iPhone 14. It's sleek, powerful, and best of all, it is free. Don't miss out. As you can see, this is actually a really good promotional short text. And all you have to do now is just go back here on Tumblr, and what you need to do, you need to click here on link. And all you have to do here, just paste your short promotional text. Okay, and here you need to add a link to your Google Bridge page. So just click here on publish, and let's just say, for example, iPhone 13, for example, or 14 Pro. Okay, Pro, let me just see. Okay, it's not available. Let's just say something like this. It's not available. Let's just say something like this to see if this is available. This is available. Click here on publish, and now just click here and then view published website. And just click here and copy this link here. Go back on Tumblr and paste that link here. Okay. And this is it. Click here, insert. And this is it. This is my bridge page. And all you have to do now is just click here on post now. And you will make a post on Tumblr. And like I said, to grow your followers, to grow your engagement, all you have to do is just share quotes from famous. Share quotes from famous people and also share viral videos. And once you get more engagement and more followers, you need to start sharing links to your bridge page. But this is the cool little trick that I promised you in the intro. In order to increase your conversion rate, what you need to do, you need to go here on Google, and here you need to say you need to search a specific thing. So you need to search timer embed code, okay? And then press enter and then click here on this first website, okay? And here you can actually get a timer. This is how this timer looks. And here you can change the date, time and date. Here you can change the country, language, countdown type. Here you can add the background colors and stuff like that. After you make this timer to look what you want to look, all you have to do is just click here on embed on your website. And this is the HTML code. Simply Ctrl+C, copy this, and then go back on Google, and let me just go back here. And then what you need to do, and here you need to add an embed code. And then click here on embed and paste that timer. Click here on next, and then click here on insert, okay? And actually I'm going to move that here above this. And this is how this looks now. So let me just click here on preview, so just so you can see how this looks. And here you can see this is the countdown. This is the timer here, and here you can see my offer, my CPA offer. Now this countdown here, it is important because it will create a scarcity. People will see here, get an iPhone for free, and they will see be the first to get iPhone 13 for free. And when they see this timer here, they will see, okay, if I don't act now, then I will miss the opportunity to get iPhone 13 for free. And that is why they will click here on participate now, and they will submit their email. That is why timers work so well. And if you can add these timers on your bridge page, always add a timer. That is the cool little trick that actually increase your conversion significantly. That is why you should use this. And this is how you do Cpagrip marketing by getting free traffic from Tumblr. As you can see here, really simple, really easy, beginner-friendly method. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.